Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share apps across devices on Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to share apps across devices on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and right click and then click on settings. After that, click on system, and then in the left sidebar click on share experiences, and then you see here share across devices. Just be sure this is on, and then here you see my device only. Click on it and then select everyone nearby. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to share apps across devices on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.